what do you think the next few years is going to bring to residential construction within Dublin?
I suppose the challenges that we're dealing with at the moment, and many of which I've just mentioned, as in material and labour shortages, the other issues that are coming down the stream, the necessity for accelerated build, etc. These challenges are bringing about different working groups and meetings of mind, if you like. Even the Resi Build meeting that's happening, and a number of others that I've met some of your colleagues at as well. It's bringing people together to try and address these challenges and find ways around it. That in itself is great to see, because that collaboration between design teams, contractors, manufacturers, specialists across the board is developing innovation in a practical way, which the industry needs and always has needed. But I suppose the current focus is pushing those together. I'd like to think that would continue, even if the world goes back to normal and everything is perfect, as I'm sure it will happen. It'd be good to kind of keep those collaborations going and keep the industry working together, because we are kind of working in a separated industry. It's a legacy thing, I guess, but we need to start working together as an industry and collaborating on those, because that innovation needs to be progressed in some way, and to try and make that work in a meaningful way. I hope, and that those collaborations will bring that innovation in an efficient way to the market. That new products can be helped to the market. There are testing and certification requirements that obviously aren't going to go away. They are a necessity. They need to continue, but there should be some way of assisting in that, so that the market or the innovator or a company that brings a new product that will solve some problems for a lot of us, that they can be assisted in some way to get that through the certification and testing and onto the market, rather than the testing and certification becoming an obstacle. It should be a means to get it there. So it'd be nice to see that done. It's very easy to look at the traditional ways of building, the tried and tested, if you like, that this is the way we have to keep going because the barriers to anything new is there. But if tried and tested is the way to go, then let's try it and let's test it and let's get it out there, let's get it working. That's the way I'd like to see this going. So that's the optimistic view on what we have in the future for Dublin. So yeah.